revolution will be live.
What's going on, YouTube family? ZX Predator here, and I'm coming at you with a packed video. It's a ride-along, a documentary. Well, not a documentary, but a commentary. I'm getting tongue-tied. But this video here, you're gonna see me with my good friend Gilbert, also one of my soldiers in my unit, and he's a fellow ZX14 owner, Gen 1, and shout out to CJ. He and I have been kind of helping out our buddy with the bike, and just ran into a couple of issues, and we're taking a ride out to Absolute Cycle in Rahway, New Jersey, in Elizabeth Ave, not too far from the motor vehicles. So make sure you go over there, and if you see my buddy Steve, tell him ZX Predator sent you. Fist bump to my brother, and yeah, pretty much the summary of what was happening. Gilbert's bike was having some issues. He came over earlier. I test rode it, and it wasn't running the way it was when we had first fixed the bike. Did the sparks tune up, gasket change, things of that nature. So getting my lean on, baby. But yeah, it literally wasn't firing correctly. So he came to my house, and I said, hey, you know what, let's go on to Absolute. So we're just taking a stroll on down. Now, he had issues. I guess all his power wasn't there, and later we discovered that one of the coils wasn't even firing. I think it was coil number 4, and poor thing was like struggling, but by the end of the video you'll see him doing his thing. And we had some fun headed back to the Jersey City area. But it's always a good time with my peeps, and if you guys are in the Jersey area, New York, PA, I'll be going out to several events, especially Clutch Control. Shout out to Black Moses down at NJMP. It's gonna be lit. I will be there doing some YouTube content and recording, and I always try to support my fellow man out there, and Black Moses has been always cool and kind to me, and I'm gonna do the propers and cover that event. But also too, shout out to Clutch City. I will be missing the season opener ride because I have military duty, so me and Gil have to do our little bang bang thing. But it is what it is, It's the call of duty, no pun intended. And now, with my brother Enrique moving like almost an hour away, we haven't forgot you, brother. And shout out to my Predator nieces out there. I still think about you guys, and when it gets warmer, we'll see y'all out there. But yeah, we are getting closer to Absolute Cycle, and you're gonna see bad guy riders, night riders, just all walks of life, different people, just enjoying the bike life, and that's what it's all about, So yeah, you can actually hear it. The bike was struggling to stay on or firing properly, but Arthur and Steve, they took care of business. So it was, we gotta get to the mad scientists, and there's only a few people that I trust to touch our bikes, and that's Mike Fazzino. Shout out to him. That's my brother. Known him for 10 years riding. Me and him started up around the same time, and then nothing but him and his family, good people. So those are the two mechanics I trust, and it is what it is. So enough of my babbling. We're getting ready to get to the location. I'll pick up the commentary once we pick up to head back to Jersey City, folks. Stay tuned. You're going to see some good stuff. Got,
How much is it?
yeah, Kawasaki, baby. Look, this is Attack of the Ninjas right here. Nice. Oh, they got a single-sided thingy too. All right. Good times here. Absolute happy.
1 hour now.
Yo, that 2021 looks dope.
I'll make friends with other ladies.
What up? Yes, sir. Mike looking good. Getting it in, baby.
Real talk, bro.
Make sure you come and check him out. Good stuff, baby.
I appreciate it.
Look, he'll take care of it. Even though he's busy, he'll take care of business.
I know 14.
Premium service detailing. Gonna put the information in the link below. Look like Zeus is gonna get some TLC too. But yeah, attention to detail, brother. You know, gotta hook you up. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. This is gonna be my detailer right here, baby. Very nice, excellent work. The results speak for themselves. Sexy. All done? Yeah, absolute, baby. Alright, folks, so all is good in the world. Steve and Arthur figured out what the issue was. You know, just make sure they swapped out one of the coils and they did the spark plugs, and the bike is running like a champ. So that Gen 114 now is running the way it should. So pretty much, yeah, I'm getting a little giddy, excited. You know, obviously you're gonna see a difference towards the end of the video. You know, Gilbert has all the power and just running right, you know. But yeah, I'm just escorting him, you know, part of the way home, and then I'll break off. But yeah, it's always good to ride with your people. And you see, I'm big on, like, it doesn't have to be massively large rides, but if I could ride with a couple people here and there, it's always a good time, you know. But I'm gonna cut my yapping. I want you to enjoy the rest of the video. There is what I've been doing recently is changing up the format. I do a little teaser in the beginning, run the intro, and then I run extra content, or you know, what was that, cutting room floor stuff. So I have some things after the outro. But yeah, it's gonna be a good season, you know. thank you to all that have been enjoying my content. I've been seeing a lot of new subscribers, a lot of cool things like I had promised will be coming to the channel. You know, like I've been throwing hints out there of what we're doing, but it's gonna be good stuff. And also, in other news, there might be a snag in that little surprise that I was supposed to do on the channel. Life happens, unexpected. Like I may need to purchase a new vehicle, and I think necessity over, desires and needs is more important. So if I can take care of matters with my car, fine, then I can still do it. If not, I have to prioritize on the car and put that project for next season, 2023. So, yeah, it was gonna be a big deal too, but it is what it is. So please enjoy the rest of the video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. If you hit the like button, it helps the channel in ways you wouldn't even understand. So I appreciate you all. The man, the myth, is ZX Predator. One love. Love you all. Peace. By the way, some more footage, and yeah, some of it I had to omit because I don't want folks coming after me. But yeah, we were having some fun getting it in. But later in the season, you're gonna see it in its full glory. But yeah, here on Pulaski Skyway, having some fun. Enjoy the rest of the bonus content.